Welcome back. Now we're going to talk about how to use the admin functions in SolarTrak. The admin functions are found right up here. In this upper corner, if you click, you'll find the following buttons. Logout, that's self-explanatory. Account settings refers to the user's information. User management is where you can add or delete a user. Branch management is the branches within your company. You also have the option to ignore that. The public API button is only for when you're integrating the data that you get from SolarTrak with another piece of software like your rental store software. So since that's customized, we're going to not cover that in depth. So let's go to account settings. In this area, you can edit the users that you've set up. Change the name, change the email address, change the branches that you've assigned them to, and also give them administrative rights or remove administrative rights. And you can change passwords over here. So pretty self-explanatory. Let's go to user management, which is where you can, if you look here, edit existing ones, takes you back to the previous screen, or remove existing ones. But for now, we're going to create a new user. So the name we're going to use is our favorite guy, John Q. Public. His email address, by the way, he will get a welcome to SolarTrak email once I've made that live. Now for the branches of the company I already have set up are showing up here. He is going to work in New York and Pennsylvania only. And he's just a plain user. I'm not going to give him administrative rights. So when I hit create user, it takes me back to the user management page, and you'll notice my new user shows up in alphabetical order. Now let's go to branch management. This is where you set up the branches that we just assigned to that last user. A branch can be a separate location, one of your other stores, a division of your company, a geographical area, or any other organizational unit that makes sense within your company. So branches can have both users and geofences assigned to them. The user can only see the assets and the geofences that are in that branch if you associate them with the branch. So let's do so. Let's make a branch around our Makunji plant. And the users, let's put Brett in there. And John Q will be working in Pennsylvania. And let's add Rodney. Now I do create branch. Once again, it shows up in alphabetical order on my list of branches. And again, I can edit or remove them and go back to the previous screen. Now, logged in as the user, I can also do ignore branch restrictions, which will remove the restriction that I can only see certain geofences and certain assets within the geofences in that branch. You must do that per user. So if you remember when we had the user management, there is a switch to button. So if you want to remove the branch management from everyone, you can switch to them and do so. There's also a branch restrictions button, which will put them back into the original branches that you assigned. So that's a basic explanation of the administrative functions in SolarTrak. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Simply call us at the following number.